Jason Samuelson with Sonoran Realty here in Arizona. We're in Pine Top, Lakeside, more specifically Lakeside, in a very tight little community known as Lakeside Summer Homes. We're on lot 21, which is just shy of an acre. And the unique part about the property and where it resides, in addition, the name parallels its history in some respects, because Lakeside Summer Homes was a community where at first you couldn't have permanent residency and reside here all year long. Over the years they changed the CCNRs and people began to buy homes and live here full-time or have full-time vacation homes here. Remodeled in 1999, mostly all of the interior, and then they did, I believe, an addition to one of the bedrooms in the office that are out by the garage. There's a nice workshop out back that pretty much has everything one would need for fidgeting or building. The property's been in the family for a little over 50 years. Back in 1999-2000, they remodeled the property, made some changes, and added in a big workshop in back behind the garage. The home was entirely site-built. The house was, in theory, delivered to the site by big logging trucks. That's what this whole area is known for. And they cut the logs, hand-hewn the logs, and built the house out of the logs on the site. And some logs are larger than others, some logs are shorter than others. But when it's all said and done, the entire house is built out of logs. I wouldn't call it a Lincoln log house, but I do like Lincoln. It was a family that built the house for themselves, and I think they took as good a care of it as they did building it, because over the years, the chinking that's within all of the inside of the house and the outside of the house has been done to the point that you can see that there's really an attention to detail and care for the long term. And I think the house, will stand irrespective of the little pig story. I think it's a formidable opponent to the third Little Pig's house, without a doubt. The weather runs within a pretty consistent core, 2 seasons a year. You get a cold season that's about that long, and then you have a nice season that's on both sides of what's kind of a warmer season for a lot that are in different terrain. If you're on the side of a mountain getting hammered by the sun, that's one thing. If you're out in the middle of scrubs and your house is taller than the trees around you, that affects it. But in this case, we're shadowed, and canopied by thousands of ponderosa pines that make up this community that basically create a never-ending, transforming canopy of light and shadows that change from one side to the house to the other and sparkle through the windows, and it's just freaking awesome. It's suitable for more than one family, more than one reunion at any one time. I think we've had, a dozen or more people that I've seen in it in one time that were staying in the house. Permanent residency is a winner here because you're dealing with all of the facilities. It's functionally perfect in the fact that it has all of the bedrooms and it's broken up in a way to let you host guests, either family or friendly, however you want to do your business now. Resident perspective, the house is very suitable. It gives you a broken up floor plan where the bedrooms on the far side of the house can be for guests, and you still have your master and your kitchen and your sauna and your master facilities with their own exits out back, and then a loft upstairs for when all the extras show up half a dozen times a year. You'll find probably need more beds than bedrooms. This one's 8 bedrooms, or 8 beds, 9 beds, 10 beds. It's been 12 beds. There's room for 4 or 5 blow-up beds and a big pull-out couch, and 5 bedrooms, 5 beds upstairs, 2 bedrooms downstairs, and an office that has a bedroom as well. And sometimes a lot of people are sleeping outside. Sun runs from like southeast to the northwest most of the year, and the patio is positioned right on the south side of the house, and it opens up to the west side of the house. And with all the trees that are out back, At best, you're going to get sprinklings of direct sunlight, just long enough for you to look up, and the leaf will take care of it for you. They've put in fire pit and horseshoes, definitely room for the RVs, and I think there's plenty of room for the car in there to work on an RV. It's situated on a large enough lot that they've got ample parking for an RV or somebody that has a toy hauler. I know that the owner has had a couple of recreational vehicles that they've taken from here, and they can access the forest just down the road. Between here and the forest, I don't think they're crossing a single stoplight. They're just running along the community roads. One of the oldest established communities in Lakeside, for sure. It's in an interesting stretch. You're almost between Pine Top and Lakeside. You're looking at a community that's off to the west, that's dense and has shopping and smaller properties and developments and park models and things, and has the entertainment and go-karts for the kids and all that kind of stuff. And then if you go a little further north, you have a lot more cabins and vacation homes, and you're starting to go towards Sunrise Ski Resort. It's a good question. A lot of people wonder, where is the insulation? The insulation is in the material itself. It's not an insulating material. The insulation is in the material. The log itself is an insulating material. The house tends to run within a pretty tight corridor better part of the year. In the summer, it doesn't get quite as hot. In the winter, it tends to stay about as warm as you want to heat it up. You can turn it into a sauna. We have one. You can just use that little room as the sauna, but you could turn this whole place into a sauna. I don't know exactly how that goes. The temperature up here as a whole doesn't really hit extremes very often. I mean, we've had a few years where there's been more snow than another, but in general, maybe a month, 6 weeks, 8 weeks out of the year, there'll be more prominent winter weather, but in general, 8 months out of the year, I think, are pretty predictable. Jason Samuelson, Sonoran Realty here in Arizona. We're on lot 21 in a very tight little community known as Lakeside Summer Homes.